Hello guys, we have the recently launched Honor Play with us today that we'll be unboxing. So, Honor Play is available in Pakistan under the warranty of Inovi Technologies, which is also the exclusive partner and distributor of Honor devices in Pakistan. The device I'm having here today is in navy blue color. It has a 64 GB ROM and 4 GB RAM. It's a pretty nice looking box with a textured finish. It has Honor branding on all the sides. Now let's check quickly what are they offering inside the box. Here's the phone. They have the SIM ejector pin and a complimentary protective cover. Isn't it nice to get a complimentary cover within the box? This is a USB Type-C cable which looks high quality. It comes with a supercharged charger which helps in charging the device very quickly. To be honest, Honor is a sturdy looking device like the other Honor phones. It has the power button on its right side. Let's start the phone quickly. The phone features a 6.3 inches Full HD plus IPS LCD screen. It has a 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual camera setup on the back. Honor Play is offering fingerprint sensor plus face lock as well. Let's try the fingerprint sensor. I'll set my fingerprint and let's check how does it work actually. So it's a pretty fast fingerprint sensor. Let's check the other settings as well. Honor Play is offering a notch setting as well, through which you can set your display setting on the board and hide notch as well. There is a 16 megapixel front camera which also takes pretty good selfies. There are many different options to capture good selfies and pictures. The volume button is placed on the top of the power button. It has a 3.5 mm headphones jack along with the Type-C port and speaker grill. On the top left, it has a hybrid dual SIM space. The best feature in Honor Play which distinguishes it with other cell phone devices is its 4D gaming experience and GPU turbo technology. Seriously, I play a lot of games in my Honor Play and I really don't have a single complaint about it. It's really good. You just have to swipe up to exit the game. It is offering 128 GB of storage. Honor Play has 8.1.0 Android version. So this was Honor Play. I really enjoyed doing the unboxing of such cool handset. Hope you'll like it. Stay connected to know more about it.